Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ambient Environment. So as you would have seen the title, it's the shout out video. I will tell you the top 5 winners and 10 runner-ups, and I will also announce the certificate holders. So let's begin. So on the first position we have Devesh Paul. They have scored 10 on 10. Congratulations Mr. Devesh Paul. And on the second position we have Chitra Mahota. They have also scored 10 on 10. And congratulations Mrs. Chitra Mahota. And on the third position we have Mr. Vishang. They have also scored 10 on 10. Congratulations Mr. Vishang. And for the fourth position we have Atif Sayab. They have also scored 10 on 10. Congratulations Mr. Atif Sayab. And for the fifth position we have a close tie between Mr. Gagan Manocha and Dr. Rajni Chauhan. They both have scored 10 on 10. Congratulations to you both. So now it's time for the 10 runner-ups. So on the 6th position we have Parth Sharma. On 7th position we have Miss Niharika. On the 8th position we have Sinjan Roy. On the 9th position we have Mrs. Kiran. And on the 8th position we have Sheikh Sharmeen Azad. On the 11th position we have Dinesh Kumar. On 12th position we have Aditya Umrani. And on the 13th position we have Miss Satvika.C. On the 14th position we have Amitava Sardev. On the 15th position we have Janvi Lalit Manjule. Congratulations to all the 10 runner-ups. And for the certificate holders, only 90 of you were able to achieve the certificates. These were the top contestants of the Extinction Quiz. So please like the video, subscribe the channel for more awesome quizzes like this, and hit that notification bell to get the notifications of our newest videos. So before going, stay safe, stay inside, and thanks for watching.